Hey everyone, this is Heidi Gustad with another knitting video tutorial for you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to work a slip-slip knit decrease in your knitting. On this swatch here, you can see that it's more of a triangle shape instead of a usual square or rectangle shape you'd see in a swatch. The reason for this is that all along this diagonal right here, I have worked with a whole bunch of what's called knitting decreases. In this case, I've done SSKs or slip-slip knits. Let me show you how to do those. So to work our slip-slip knit, we're going to work in our pattern until the point where it calls for the slip-slip knit. A slip-slip knit is worked over 2 stitches. So what we've got to do is slip the first stitch on our needle as if to knit. So to do a slip as if to knit, we work into the front part of the loop just like we were going to knit the stitch, but instead of knitting it, we slip it over to the right hand needle. So that stitch has been slipped as if to knit, then we slip the next stitch on our left hand needle as if to purl. So instead of going through the front of the loop like we would to do a knit stitch, we simply pass it from the left needle to the right needle. Then we put both stitches back on the left hand needle and then knit the 2 of them together through the back loop. So the right needle is behind the left needle to knit through the back loop. And there is our SSK. An SSK decreases our overall stitch count in our row by 1, and it's a decrease that leans to the left. So let me finish out this row and then purl across the wrong side row before I show you that one more time. So we're going to slip 1 and purl all the way across our wrong side. And we started out with 6 stitches in our row at the beginning of this video, and now because we've worked in SSK, there are just 5 stitches. Now working on the other side, I'll show you how to do a slip-slip knit one more time. So we've worked the row until we're ready for that slip-slip knit, and then we slip 1 stitch as if to knit, 1 as if to purl, passing both loops back over to the left hand needle. We knit those 2 together through the back loop, and then I'll finish out my row. So you can see we're down to just 4 stitches on our needle, and both of these decreases here and here lean to the left. So you can see here what a whole bunch of SSKs worked in a row look like. So these lean to the left, and you can see this ridge right along here is formed in the work from those SSKs. A slip-slip knit is legitimately my favorite decrease in knitting. I really like how neatly the finished decrease looks in my work, and I try to use it whenever I can. If you have any questions for us, go ahead and let us know in the comments, and don't forget to tune in soon for more knitting video tutorials.